I'm now using the worksheet titled PMT. The PMT formula is very useful for calculating project finance. It's also very useful for calculating any personal loan that you may have. If we look in A1, I've written the structure of the formula. The trick to this formula is to recognize that the three items in the black font, rate, NOR, and LA, all refer to one of these three cells. So while it's a complicated enough formula, really the trick here is to emphasize the simplicity of the technique. And what we're going to do is we're going to really type this character for character, but once we come to any one of the three values, rate, number of repayments, or loan amount, we'll click on one of these cells. It's also worth noting and remembering that we are using named cells here, so the formulas will be quite descriptive. So let's have a look at how it works. I select the cell where I want the answer. I start the formula equals PMT, open the bracket. Remember, formulas are not case sensitive, so whether I use caps or small letters doesn't matter, and we generally use no spaces in formulas. So equals PMT, open the bracket. I come to my first input, which is the rate. I click in the cell and we will see that rate has appeared. It's picking up the named value. Divided by 12, comma, again copying from the format, the layout I have in cell A1. The next value I come to is the number of repayments, which is 300. Once again, as I click, we can see it picking up a defined name. Comma, minus, and loan amount, which is LA, and I click, and just like that, I've performed one of the most complex formulas in Excel in terms of finance. Very, very useful, as I said, for project finance. What I really like about using named cells and formulas is you can see if you've made a mistake. So we can see here that I'm using rate, number of repayments, loan amount, matching the structure up above in A1. I hit enter and voila, formula complete. And because it's a financial formula in Excel, it automatically picks up the euro symbol, as we can see. The next three calculations are quite basic manual calculations as such. And really, I have these here just to show you can do something very complex like PMT, but sometimes the more insightful information is the simple formulas. So let's take a look at the scary fact here. What happens if you do take out a loan like this? The cost of finance formula is equal to the total repaid minus the loan amount. And we can see there that the cost of finance is 126,000. I won't calculate the interest only. I think this is adequate, and it just gives you a good idea how to use the PMT formula in Excel. Thanks for watching.